welcome to another video of Linux for absolutely beginners, right? And my name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through what is Linux, right? Linux is just an open source operating system that was basically created in 1991 by Linus Torvalds, right? As you guys can see here, Linux was basically derived from something that we call a Unix distribution. And that Unix distribution was basically just closed source. And when we talk about a Unix distribution, we are talking about like a Mac OS that we know, some stuff like Oracle, also Salary, IBM, and so on, right? Salary, IBMs, and so on. And what happened is that this was kind of closed source, and Torvald, like Linux Torvald, basically launched, he basically kind of put an announcement out there, and is here starting this Thanksgiving, I am going to write a complete Unix compatible software system called a GNU, right? And also he said he's going to give it away free to everyone who can use it. And contribution of time, money, program, and equipment are greatly needed, right? That means he basically launched this announcement, and his goal here was just to kind of create a software that is going to be compatible, right? Compatible to a Unix operating system. And when he will create that, it's going to be open source, and he's going to basically give it out there for free so that everybody can use it without paying anything. And that is where Linux basically come into place, right? And Linux basically have multiple flavor, such as Red Hat, CentOS, Debian, Fedora, Kali Linux, OpenSUSE, and so on. When he launched it, what happened is that the community basically jump in, and they start creating some stuff called distributions. Like in Microsoft, we have Windows operating system, and Windows basically have multiple flavor. We have stuff like Windows 8, we have Windows 7, we have Windows 11, we have Windows 10, and so on. In Linux also, we have Linux distribution, such as CentOS. We also have Red Hat, Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, OpenSUSE, Linux Mint, Kali Linux, and so on, right? I mean, Linux is just an open source operating system that was basically launched in 1991 by Linus Torvalds, and his goal here was just to create a software that is compatible to Unix operating system that was closed source, right? And basically give it out there to the community free, so that they can use. They don't need to pay any license. They don't need to pay anything. And today, Linux is heavily used everywhere, and almost 80 to 90% of all applications that we are using today basically run on Linux operating system. This is just a series of videos for absolutely beginners. That means those who are trying to kind of transition into Linux. They want to learn Linux, right? You need to start with the basics before you can move on. If you know all this video is not for you. Please let me know in the comment below if you like this video, and also if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so that when we publish a new video, you will be notified. And also, please go ahead and follow us on social media such as Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. Thank you. Bye-bye.